Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download specific subfolders and directories from GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large projects and only need certain files or folders without downloading the entire repository. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel and select the repository that contains the folder you want to download. Once you're inside the repository, navigate through the file structure and click on the specific folder you want to download. Now, go to the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the entire URL. This link points directly to the folder you want to download. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Download Directory GitHub. From the search results, open the Download Directory GitHub tool. Once the page loads, you'll see a text field where you can paste your GitHub folder link. Paste the URL you copied earlier and press enter. The tool will process the link and download the selected folder. Depending on the folder size, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your browser's Downloads area and select the downloaded folder to access it on your computer. And that's how to download specific subfolders and directories from GitHub without downloading the entire repository. Thanks for watching.